In this video I will show you how to create a duotone effect in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Gradient tool. Choose this gradient. Select and manage gradient presets. Apply this gradient. Now we will double-click on this point. Choose this color and press OK. Repeat the process. Change the blending mode to color. Follow the process. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.